This Ivan, it's time for Dollar General's any day deals. Now remember, we have our 5 off of 25 along with these deals today, so let's go. Okay, the first thing we're going to get is the buy two get two. I know you see these already, but they are buy two get two free. So I'm going to get 1 sour cream, 1 barbecue, a classic, and a deal. This is for a graduation party, guys. My granddaughter, buy two get two. And let's scan. Okay. And they are at $3.50. Deal is buy two get two free. Leave you at $14. Now you're gonna take away $3.50 twice. $7. Divide that by 4. $1.75 each. So we have 4 bags of Lay's potato chips for $1.75. Now let's move right along. Okay, come over here to your Fanta right here. I'm going to pick up a pineapple and an orange. Okay. And they are at $2.25. So let's scan that. Okay, $2.25. Now they have a $1 off of 1, would make them $1.25. But you don't want that coupon. You want this one, buy one get one free. It's a Dollar General coupon. So clip the sales. Does that mean that you applied the coupon? So $2.25 plus $2.25 is $4.50. Take away $2.25 again. The $2.50 divide that by 2, $1.12. $1.12. I'm gonna pick up 1 2% milk at $3.95. It's time for me to switch my boys' milk out. They ain't doing good with drinking that. Okay, and we're gonna come right here to the Chobani. Let's scan it. The Chobani is $1.75 or 3 for $4 or 2 for $3. So I think the 3 for $4 is best. Let's see, let's do the deal first. So 4 divided by 3, it's gonna be $1.33. Yeah, and these would be $1.50. So I'm gonna get 4 of those. 3, guys. Yeah, so my kids have been making brownies and cookies and selling them at school. This is the new mix right here. It's called cookie brownie. Let's see. It's $3.25, but I think they are 2 for $6. So I'm gonna try those with them today. I'm gonna get the brownie and the walnut supreme, and we got some extra walnuts we could add in there. Like literally, I have a cart full of junk at this point. I don't like it. Okay, we're gonna get right here. Look right here at the Hot Pockets, and they are 4 for $10 or $2.50 each. So I'm gonna grab 4 boxes of those. The Philly steaks, the pepperoni. Okay, so we got 4 of those. And the Uncrustables right here are 2 for $8, and I think it's 4 in a pack. I need to get those because peanut butter and raspberry, oh, they don't like that. Peanut butter and strawberry. So I'm gonna get 2 of these right here. Uncrustables are usually $5. They're on sale 2 for $8. The Club Minis are 2 for $4. And then you also have the Ritz crackers that's 2 for $4, but I don't need any Ritz crackers at this point. They did move their beef chimichangas. They changed them to $1. The kids like these, so I'm gonna grab some of these. They are $1 each. They got El Monterey, so we're gonna get a couple of these right here. I think I'm gonna get, now I like the bean and cheese. I like those, but I guess I get the beef and bean, and then what's that one? Hot. Oh, I get that. So we got a set of these. It's time for me to start buying foods for the kids while they're at home. We're over here by the Totino's pizza rolls. Look at that. They brought the old bag back. And they are $6 originally, or 2 for $10. So I'm going to get 2 bags of these. It's 2 for $10. Okay, the Star Kiss Tuna Creations are $1.15. I'm going to get a couple of packs of those. 4. The kids enjoyed these. Grab a couple of these smoked once they grab them after school, and now Isaiah take them to school with him. And I need to pick up tea, but I will not get the tea here. Guys, this is new. Croissants. They're $1.50. Okay, the Powerades are 3 for $3. I'm scan it. I hate when my phone do this. $1.50. 3 for $3. So I'm gonna pick up 3 of the Powerades. They like the blue ones. Now we have a 3-day sale coming up on Thursday, guys. I do not want to pick up any drinks until we do our 3-day sale. So here it is right here. Here's something. Save $4 when you buy 2 Pepsi Cola and Frito-Lays. So that means the Lay's chips will go with that. And then save $4 when you spend $14 on a 6-pack. So you could do it on a 6-pack or the 12-pack. So the 6-packs are 3 for $13. You got to pick up 1 more. Let's hit that. You have to pick up. So you could do a can. You could do a single bottle. And I think you could do this. I thought you could do the 6-packs. They ain't on here though, which is crazy. Okay, keep going down. I think they might pop up. Nope. If you wanted to do this deal, see it's 3 for $13, just go get a single Mountain Dew or Pepsi that match with this, and you'll go up to $14, and you'll save $4. Let's look at the clearance. Look at that. The smokehouse sausage sticks. These bins are all going to be on clearance. You're going to have the Caesars dog food flour sacks. So especially if you are a homesteader or a canner like me, you want to stack up on these flour sacks. So I'm definitely going to see how much they are going to be. Look, Takis is going to be on sale. Those right there. Skinny Pop, the cheddar is going to be on sale. So make sure you take a good look. Oh, look. The Welchers, strawberry kiwi, those are going to be on sale. So keep looking out, guys, for the stuff that's going to be on sale. And look at all of that that's up there. All of those is going to be. Oh, they kits. Okay, they the kits. Those going to be on sale. These white baskets is going to be on sale. So yes, guys. Last but not least, let's get us some. Okay, the Sweet Baby Rays are 2 for $4. So we're going to grab 2 packs of the Sweet Baby Rays. And the hot sauces right here, the red hots, are 2 for $4. So we're going to get a set of these. Now, their food deal this week is not bad, guys. Okay, you can get the Kraft if you want to, 2 for $3 instead of Sweet Baby Rays. That's 2 for $4. But it just depends on what you like. The ketchup, I believe, is $5.25. It's this Heinz squeezable ketchup is say $4.20. It is on sale for $2.95. Look, guys, and then when you do that, you can buy one get one Heinz ketchup or 8-ounce mustard for free. So tap that. As you already know what it is, they don't have any Heinz mustard. So let me take that ketchup out. They don't have any Heinz mustard. Nope, they got French's and something else. And French's is 2 for $4. The Rice Krispie treats, which is for my granddaughter's graduation party, are 2 for $5. So I'm going to grab 2 of those. It's 14 little mini squares in there that I'm going to put on sticks and dip in chocolate. The Kellogg's cereal are actually $3.85, and they are on sale for $8. We don't have a coupon. Remember when I scanned the strawberry last week? Yeah, it's one box back there. Okay, I got it. It's one box. I'm gonna grab me about these strawberries. They are so good, guys. So we can get 4. Let's get that one. This one used to have a coupon. Let's see if it still got a coupon to it. Okay, $1.95. Nope. But it is a part of that 4 deal. But if it's $1.95, why should you get that? you know, because it's $2 if you get it a part of the 4 for $8 deal. So I would get that one separate if you're looking at your money. So let's get some Fruit Loops with the marshmallow and then the regular Fruit Loops right here. So here we go right here, guys. All right, so this is my cart, guys. I know I started off with a bunch of junk. We ended with food, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share all these coupon camp because we don't gatekeep up in here. Bye.